So this is the app that I'm building here for members. And if you go to the Turtle Pit, this is going to be the closest to Pit Power Plays. Bam. It's going to give you a scan here, and it's going to give you the top play. View setup just takes you down to the other one, and I was calling this one too a couple days ago. But so it gives you the name, current price, stop loss level, relative volume, why it's a good choice, and then if you click trade choices, it gives you a drop down of different ways to play. So the best options trade is around $1,000. Some people are on a tighter budget. They don't want to take a trade that's $1,000. Is that really only $1,953 for that? That's a great option call right there. Oh, man, if I wasn't so busy building this, I'd be busy using it. But here we are. So let's just say that's a little bit too rich for your blood. You can scroll down a bit and you see the cheapest option play right here. All right, and it even gives you open interest, volume, bid ask, everything. This raw right here, you can copy this and paste it into your Tradier account, and it'll pull the exact contract up, and you can just hit buy and move on. If you use Tradier anyways. And then also, alternately, if you want even cheaper, you can do a spread. So the 105, 120, jeez, oh man, I wish I would have looked at this earlier. These are insanely smart ideas here. And you could hit view alert card. It'll give you a little card. And you can expand the chart and see the chart. But basically, this is a way to get pit power play like plays on your own. Elite breakout score here. So this is the exact kind of play I would put in pit power plays, but you can find them all yourself. It even gives you the exact contract and a variety of ways to play it. If you want to play it cheaper, if you want to play it more expensive but safer, if you want to play it with spreads, so less upside but less downside, slower motions, every which way you want, even gives you the chart to go with it. So this is an easy $5,000 scanner, because this is going to allow people to empower themselves to be the hedge fund, to be the institution, to be the brilliant trader with the brilliant tools right in front of them that make these decisions for them, even if they are working on their decision-making abilities. So this is going to be a fucking next level. I highly recommend anybody gets on this. Probably have a starting offer that's a little bit cheaper, but check this shit out. It's gonna be epic. Peace.